Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can see all your comments in Facebook application. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also don't forget to put likes. So, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook on your phone. Next, you will need to go to the menu section at the bottom. Next, click on the gear in the top right corner to go to Facebook settings. Next, scroll down until you find the activity log. Click on it. Next is the activity history. Now click on Filter, Categories, your Facebook activity, Comments and Reactions, and then select Comments. This will take you to all the comments you have ever left or responded to someone's Facebook comments. If you want to delete any of the comments, you'll need to click on the three dots next to it. Select Delete. And as you can see, instantly the comment was deleted. Also, if you want to view, say, the publication where this comment was made, you can just click here. That way you can view the post and see exactly what you commented on. That's how easy it is, friends. You can see all your comments on Facebook. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.